How to receive a payment for an invoice. So you click on the Invoice module and you go to the Invoices, and once you are in the Invoices section, go to the invoice that you want to receive payments for. Make sure that the status if the invoice is not draft, and when you have that, then you can see a Receive Payment link. So either you can go and click on this Receive Payment, or you can click on the Receive Payments link on the left side. Once you click on this, make sure that you select the customer. So in this case, I'm just going to 050 say customer 100. The customer 100 has 2 invoices, and I'm going to receive payments for one invoice, and I'm going to say this is an ACH payment, and the payment was for this $824. That's the entire amount, and once I click on this, it's going to apply that payment, and you go ahead and click Save and just make sure that that invoice has been fully paid. You can make a partial payment. You can always check on the Payment History tab the details behind the payments that you have made. So this is the payment that was made, and there is also a report that's called Receive Payments History Report. So you can click on that and verify that you actually received payment for it.